Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Maybe you found your way here because you're trying to eat healthier. This vegan soup recipe is one of my very favorites. It's comforting, it's warming, and it's loaded with protein and iron, two things that can be challenging to get in a plant-based diet. It is based on my grandmother's traditional Lebanese lentil soup called Mujadara, but I have added in extra vitamins and nutrients to make it extra healthy. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. Let's get started. A lot of people come to a vegan or plant-based diet because of the wonderful health benefits. As we cook together, I'm going to teach you the benefits of each component of this dish. We're going to start by adding a tablespoon or two of a nice quality olive oil to our Dutch oven or soup pot. I also like to add in 1 tablespoon of plant-based butter. Next, we're going to add in about a cup of diced yellow onion. The trick is to let this saute over medium-low heat for about 7 minutes until it's really translucent. That's going to add a beautiful sweet flavor to our lentil soup. For this recipe, we're using what they call brown or green lentils. These lentils are loaded with iron and protein. 1 cup of this soup is going to provide 25 to 30 grams of protein and 35% of your daily iron requirement. Look how beautifully browned our onion is. That's how we want it. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of well-rinsed brown lentils. We're going to stir those around to get that nice, beautiful onion flavor on those, and add in 4 to 6 cups of water. The amount of water you add is going to determine how thick your soup is. Some people like this a little thicker. I find that 6 cups of water is perfect for the amount of lentils and brown rice we're going to use. We're going to add in about a half cup of brown rice. You can add in anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 depending on how you like the consistency. If you decide to use white rice, you would wait 20 minutes before adding it in. Brown rice is a better choice than white rice because it has fiber and B vitamins and it won't spike your blood sugar like white rice will. We're going to add in 2 to 3 shakes of a good quality allspice, about a teaspoon of dried basil, and about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Remember, when you're cooking, you have to taste your food as it cooks, and you may have to adjust your spice levels. I'm going to turn my heat up to medium, partially cover it, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Spinach is loaded with vitamins C, A, and K, which are great for healthy skin and a healthy cardiovascular system. It also is loaded with iron. That's why Popeye ate it, because it would make you strong. We're going to use 1 full bunch of organic spinach. Spinach tends to be kind of muddy, so be sure to rinse your spinach really well. I even let mine soak for a little while. To finish our nutrient-dense Mujadara, we're going to chop up our head of spinach into small pieces and add it to our cooked lentils. I'm doing this after about 30 minutes. The lentils still have a little bit to cook, and so does the rice, but the spinach is going to wilt down really nicely. I started this video by saying that this was based on my grandma's traditional Lebanese Mujadara. This recipe is slightly different because I've added in spinach, which is not part of the traditional recipe, and brown rice. Grandma used white rice. The brown rice adds in magnesium, potassium, and fiber, and the spinach adds in a whole bunch of iron. Both of these are going to make it a healthier and heartier stew. If you stick around till the very end, I'll show you how I even add in B12. This delicious and easy stew is a total crowd pleaser. Everyone I've ever served it to has loved it. It is loaded with protein at about 30 grams per bowl, and I'm going to show you my trick to add extra protein and a boost of vitamin B12. On my channel, you can find the recipe for this easy vegan Parmesan cheese. The base is nutritional yeast and cashews. If you just sprinkle a little bit on top, it adds a cheesy flavor and a boost of B12 and protein. If you don't feel like making that, you can also just add a little bit of nutritional yeast to the top of it. In my family, we eat this with pita bread in our hands. We just dig right in. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.